Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel for this week's weekly safety recap. Before we get started, make sure that you give me a thumbs up down below to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will find additional videos of this nature, along with toolbox safety topic videos and leadership training videos. Let's go ahead and get started with the weekly recap. Now, I'm excited to report that every job looked good this past week. I must say that I was really impressed by the PTPs. They were completed with accurate, informative information concerning the task to be performed and how to mitigate hazards associated with the noted task. Also, we're doing a much better job with the required prerequisite job site documents such as EH&S handbook, SDS books, and Silica Exposure Control Plans. Now there's more good tidings to come, but first let's take a look at what we call system induced accountability. Now I talked about this several months ago, and it's an excerpt from Forbes article by a Mr. Henry Browning. Don't you love employees who seem to always go above and beyond? They take responsibility, show initiative, and really own their projects, processes, and problems. Somewhere along the line, they learn that good things happen when you are accountable. But it's largely up to us, the leadership, to ensure that they don't have a change of heart. But you say, accountability is intrinsic. You can't force people to be accountable. True, but we learn from the people around us. When the work environment is designed for accountability, it will flourish. When it's not, you get stellar work from a few people until they stop making the effort or leave for another job. An accountable workplace won't appear overnight, but the right elements must be in place. Where do you need to invest your time and attention to build an environment of accountability? Number 1, clear roles, team leadership, and individual ownership. People struggle to be accountable when roles and processes are ambiguous. Removing as much confusion as possible about who is doing what and how they will proceed is an important step. If a team is truly accountable, members will identify gaps, learn new roles, processes, and ultimately build a more capable team. Number 2, a sense of ownership for team results. How does team accountability work? Focus on team processes. How is the team working toward goals and outcome? Are team members effective? Do they feel 100% accountable to improving the process? Each member should have the obligation to seek information, give and receive feedback, and point out the need for corrective action at any time. Number 3, freedom, support, and control to navigate competing priorities. Most problems have multiple right answers, so give people the freedom and control they need to make decisions. The first solutions your teams and direct reports come up with will probably be pretty good. Improve upon them instead of inserting your own. Support is the key. Be sure people have the resources, knowledge, and assistance they need. With this approach, team members increase skills, confidence, and ownership. Number 4, it's not about punishment. If your goal in fostering accountability is to know who to punish when revenue targets are not met or budgets are missed, you will only succeed in creating fear. No one will be willing to step up, speak out, or try something new. Innovation and risk-taking will be lost. Once the rumor mill of an organization circulates a story of someone stepping out and being punished, hundreds, even thousands of other employees will be skittish about taking initiative to find solutions. Number 5, it's about improvement. Accountability is the foundation for creating a learning organization. If you want sustainable, high-quality processes, you need to be able to see what's working and what isn't, and analyze the cause. To that end, each person needs to honestly say what they knew, what they thought, and what they did or didn't do. One important thing you can do to support a learning atmosphere is to take a system approach as well as holding individuals accountable. Seek to understand what aspects of the situation have influenced the process, system, culture, or circumstances. Number 6, the expectation of evaluation. In accountable organizations, no one expects to stay under the radar. In fact, people seek feedback because they know it is intended to improve the process and add to their knowledge. These organizations use multiple forms of feedback and evaluation to assess the health and success of a manager, process, or department. Organizations lacking multiple feedback mechanisms only discover shortcomings when it's too late. Finally, number 7, integrity counts. People are called out if they don't do what they say they will do. When anyone falls short, they admit it and work to improve. Someone consistently falling short? A sure sign of low commitment and a clue that something is missing in your culture of accountability. Let's continue with our team building efforts so that we can reap the rewards of a cohesive, safe, and well-trained team. On with the recap. First aid kits. Ensure that first aid kits are adequately stocked. Aerial work platforms. Make sure that team members know and understand the load capacities of the aerial work platform from which they will be working from. Let's continue to train and inform our team members. As a team member, look out for and ensure you and your teammates are safe. All right, everybody, that's it for this week's weekly safety recap. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will find additional videos of this nature, toolbox safety topic videos, and leadership training videos. And until we see each other again, take care of yourself because you're number one. Look out for your co-workers and help ensure their safety. Have a grateful day. And remember, I will see you in the field.